Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can significantly improve your drinking water experience. We found the Brita BritaPlus replacement filters on a popular online retailer and have added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about what this product is. The Brita BritaPlus replacement water filter set includes 6 high-density filters designed specifically for Brita pitchers and dispensers. These filters are engineered to reduce contaminants in your drinking water, ensuring that you have access to clean, great-tasting water every day. With certification from the Water Quality Association, these filters promise to meet the standards set by NSF/ANSI, giving you peace of mind about the quality of your water. Now, let's discuss some of the most important features of the BritaPlus filters. One standout aspect is that these filters reduce 2 times more contaminants compared to standard Brita filters. This includes harmful substances like chlorine, mercury, cadmium, copper, and zinc. So, if you're concerned about what's in your tap water, the BritaPlus filters provide an excellent line of defense. Another notable feature is their ability to help retain beneficial minerals and electrolytes that are naturally present in your water. Many filters strip away these essential nutrients, but the BritaPlus filters ensure that you enjoy a balanced, flavorful drinking experience. This attention to maintaining mineral content sets the BritaPlus filters apart from many other options on the market. When it comes to longevity, each BritaPlus filter can last up to 2 months or filter approximately 40 gallons of water. This means you can enjoy extended use without the frequent need for replacements, simplifying your water filtration routine. The 6-pack set allows you to replace your filters at the same interval as standard filters, but with the added benefit of enhanced contaminant reduction. In terms of sustainability, each BritaPlus filter replaces up to 300 single-use 16.9-ounce plastic bottles. With the 6-pack, you're potentially reducing the waste of up to 1,800 plastic bottles. If you're someone who is conscious about the environment and looking to cut down on plastic waste, making the switch to BritaPlus filters is a responsible choice. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're health conscious and want to ensure that your drinking water is free from harmful contaminants while still retaining essential minerals, then the BritaPlus filters are perfect for you. They're also ideal for families, athletes, or anyone who consumes a lot of water daily and needs a reliable solution for clean hydration. In practical use cases, think about how these filters can fit into your everyday life. Whether you're filling up your reusable water bottle before heading to the gym, serving water to guests at a dinner party, or simply refilling your pitcher at home, BritaPlus filters can enhance the taste and quality of your water. Plus, they help you stay hydrated while doing your part for the planet. In summary, the Brita BritaPlus replacement filters are an excellent investment for anyone seeking superior water filtration. With their ability to reduce contaminants, retain beneficial minerals, and promote sustainability by reducing plastic waste, they are an essential addition to any household. Thanks for watching. If this